you need to know some of Georgia law to be able to protect yourself. Georgia fault law and the statute of limitation are two very important things. Georgia fault law, what do you need to know there? We are in what's called a modified comparative negligence state. So what does that mean? That means you can be found to be partially negligent, meaning partially the cause of the wreck, and still receive compensation, but only up to a certain percentage. And you have to know how all that plays together. So for example, if you are considered 25% at fault, you can still recover, but you will only recover 75% of your damages, 75% of your pain and suffering, 75% of your lost wages, your future pain and suffering, all of those things. And that's how the calculation works. Now, if you're found to be 50% or more at fault, then you recover zero. So the moment you get to 50-50 or more, you can no longer recover anything in your case. You've got to know this if you have a fault situation. The insurance company knows it. You need to know it as well. You need to fight against being at fault. You need to be careful and never admit you're at fault. This is very important. Both remember at the scene, not saying anything, but also when you're talking to the adjuster. You don't admit, yeah, I might have been a little bit at fault, or I could have done this better or that better. Nope, now you're starting to add percentage of fault. You don't want to do that.